In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very beautiful and colorful jute earring decorated with oxidized jhumka and parrot. Hi, I'm Shabari from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. We will take a square piece of cardboard. The size depends on your wish. Fevicol, scissors and jute rope, of course. So we will at first apply glue along the border area of the square and place our jute rope on top of the glued portion like this and stick the rope to the square. At first we will stick the jute rope along the border and let it dry for some time, and after that we will apply the glue in the inside portion like this and start coil like shape with the rope. We will continue doing this till we reach the central portion of the square. We have reached the central portion of the square, and after that we will cut out the extra portion of the rope and stick the loose end in the central portion like this. So the jute base is now ready. After that we will take a thread bead and stick it in the central portion of the square jute base like this. Let it dry for some time. In the meantime we will take an eye pin and fold it in one end like this, forming a loop. We will insert a white colored bead and a wooden parrot and another white colored bead, and then we will fold the other end of the eye pin with the help of pliers, form a loop like this. Okay. After that we will take our jute base and jhumka and two jump ring and earring hook. At first open the jump ring, insert it in one corner of the square and place your jhumka and close the pliers. So you have attached the jhumka to the square base. Similarly attach the parrot portion and then finally attach a hook to the loop of the parrot one. Okay, close the loop with the help of pliers and finally your earring is ready. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe.